Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you students? I hope you are all fine. Today we are here again for your science class. This is your fourth lesson of the science. Do you know what is your book name? Your book name is Journal Science and this is for class 7. Today the date is 19th April 2021 and the day is Monday. Now we are going to open the book. You know that how we open the book. First of all, we will check the contents. Here is the content page. Content, first lesson, human organ systems. We have done this one full subject or full lesson. Second one is transport in humans and plants. It is on the page number 14. If you remember, we have done the reading of page number 14 and page number 15. 14 transport in humans and plants. What we have read in the page number 15, we have reading the shape of the heart. We tell that how blood circulate in our body. That we tell that there are four chambers in the heart. The first one is the left atrium, right ventricle and the left ventricles, and all these parts take part in the blood transportation. Move to the next page. I told you that make the shape of blood heart and label it. I hope you have done this one question. Page number 16, they tell that how many things are there in the heart. There are the blood vessels, arteries, capillaries, veins, and in all these the blood is moving in the human body. After that we have done the different effect of our circulatory system के जो अफेक्ट डाइट अफेक्ट क्या थे. सबसे पहले जैसे भी हमारी डाइट होगी उसकी वजह से हमें जो डिजीज़ प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती हैं उनमें हमने हार्ट अटैक किया था. Heart attack, what is the meaning of heart attack? Heart attack means that the blood is not cannot supply the blood properly, and in this positions we call the heart attack. In the heart attack we have the chest pain, the shortness of the breath, or the heavy muscles dials, some kind of the symptoms of the heart attack. We have the sweating, and if we have these symptoms we have to go to the hospital at once. Now move to the next page. I hope you have done the previous one things on the page number 18. Today we will do the next reading, high blood pressure or hypertension. Some persons that sometimes you have listened that your parents, from maybe your father or maybe your mother or your grandparents have the disease of high blood pressure. What is the high blood pressure? Now take start. High blood pressure is a disorder of circulatory systems. Means हमारा जो blood है वो properly circulate नहीं करता. That is called high blood pressure. Blood pressure is the amount of force exerted by blood against the wall of the arteries. If the blood pressure of a person remains above the normal value, what is the normal value of the blood pressure? 120/80. If someone has the blood pressure above this normal value, it is called the the condition of the condition is called high blood pressure or a hypertension. Okay, this condition called high blood pressure. The increased blood pressure can damage blood vessels. What are the effect of the high blood pressure? They can damage the blood vessels, and the results may be the failure of kidney. जिसके नतीजे में क्या होगा? Failure of kidney and heart. People with high blood pressure may have the symptoms. What are the symptoms of the high blood pressure? Such as headache, fatigue, blurred vision, nose bleeds, etc. Okay, what are the symptoms? Headache, fatigue means थकान, थक जाना, थकावट फील करना, blurred vision सही तरह से नज़र मत आना किसी चीज़ का, and nose bleeds means नाक से खून आना. Food high in fat, high salt intake, smoking, obesity, diabetes, lack of exercise, etc. raise the risk of high blood pressure. How we can have the high blood pressure? If we eat the food with the high fat and we take the salt in the excessive you can say measurements, smoking or diabetes or the lack of exercise. What is the science, technology and society? Smoking can cause heart diseases. It has been found that a person who smokes is more likely to have heart problems than someone who does not smoke. A chemical in tobacco smoke cause blood vessels to become more narrow. The blood pressure of a smoker may increase. The heart works harder to pump blood through these narrow vessels. Heart patients are also asked not to smoke. Why cigarette brands should not be advertised? What do you think? Why they should not be advertised? I think they should not be advertised because they create the diseases. That's why मीन्स के सिगरेट्स को क्यों एडवर्टाइज सिगरेट जो ब्रांड्स हैं उनको एडवर्टाइज नहीं होना चाहिए या उनको बारे में नहीं बताया जाना चाहिए. क्यों? बिकॉज दे इंक्रीज द डिजीज़, वो बीमारियाँ फैलाते हैं. Okay, I hope you have understand what is the high blood pressure. High blood pressure is the pressure of the blood from the above from the normal value. What is the normal value? Normal value is 120 by 80. If we have the high blood pressure, the normal value should be excreted. Or what are the symptoms? Symptoms are the of the high blood pressure are the headache, fatigue, blurred visions, nose bleeding, something. And how we can have the high blood pressure if we not eat the proper diet? We are going to smoke, or we have the diabetes. Diabetes means sugar जिसको हम कहते हैं. Now we are going to read about the diabetes. Diabetes is a disease in which a person has high blood sugar. What is the diabetes? That the person has high blood sugar, यानी उसकी blood में sugar की जो मिकदार है वो बढ़ जाती है. Because her body does not produce enough insulin. ये क्यों होता है? क्योंकि बॉडी जो है वो प्रॉपर इंसुलिन प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर पाती है. इंसुलिन इज़ द केमिकल दैट इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड इन आवर पेनक्रियाज. ये एक केमिकल है जो हमारे पेनक्रियाज में, जो हमारा स्टोमिक है उसमें एक पार्ट होता है पेनक्रियाज, उसमें इंसुलिन पैदा होती है. जब ये स्टॉप हो जाती है तब हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, हमें डायबिटीज़ हो गई है. इंसुलिन हेल्प्स टू डिक्रीज ब्लड शुगर. विदाउट इंसुलिन अ पर्सन डिवेल्प्स डायबिटीज़. And what are the symptoms of the diabetes? Loss of weight, frequent urination, excessive thirst and hunger, etc. are some of the symptoms of diabetes. If there is someone have diabetes in your home, that you have noticed that he is feeling too much thirst or hunger. If the patient does not control the level of blood sugar, he or she may be at risk of loss of eyesight and hearing, heart attack, gum diseases, kidney disorders. What kind of diseases they can be have if they have the high blood sugar? They can loss of the eyesight, hearing, and heart attack, gum diseases, kidney disorders. These are the diseases that we have the in the diabetes. A person can control his or her blood sugar level by taking medicines, eating proper diet, and taking exercise. How we can control the diabetes? We can control the diabetes by taking medicines, eating proper diet, and taking exercise. Okay, carbohydrates have a big impact on our blood sugar level. Extra fats are not good. We need to take these foods carefully. Some vegetables and fruits are useful for the diabetic patients. Okay, diabetic patients cannot eat anything, just some fruits and vegetables are suitable for them. Move to the next page. Next disease is asthma. Asthma is an allergy that causes the airways of the lungs to swell and narrow. What is the asthma? This is a kind of an allergy, and what happened in this one, that our lungs are swell, are narrowed, means सुकड़ जाते हैं या फिर वो swell हो जाते हैं, सूज जाते हैं. A person with asthma may wheeze. Wheeze means of whistling sounds and a sound when he or she breathes. जब आप सांस लेते हैं तो उसमें एक खास किस्म की आवाज़, that is called wheeze. Cough and feel tightness in the chest. What are the symptoms? That he has maybe wheeze, cough and feel tightness in the chest. The things that can cause asthma are called allergens. जो भी चीज़ें हमारे लिए स्टमक का प्रॉब्लम बनती हैं उन्हें हम एलर्जेंस कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल डस्ट माइट्स, पोलन ग्रेन्स एंड द सम foods may cause asthma. These are the allergens. Symptoms of an asthma attack may be cough, shortness of breath, wheeze, extreme difficulty in breathing, chest pain, sweating, and increased pulse rate. What are the symptoms? That we have the cough, और शॉर्टनेस ऑफ द ब्रीथ मीन्स विजिंग्स, और एक्सट्रीम डिफिकल्टी इन ब्रीथिंग, सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम होना, चेस्ट पेन होना, स्वेटिंग होना, पल्स रेट का बढ़ जाना, ये सारी सिम्टम्स हैं अस्थमा की. Severe asthma attack may lead to death. It is not easy to cure asthma, but one can be normal and active even with asthma. What he had to do? Try to avoid the allergens of the asthma. Use plenty of water, it will give you relief. Or on advice of a doctor, use medicines or inhalers are the like this, and they are used for the asthma patients. Transplantation. What is a transplantation? Sometimes an organ in body of a person may stop its working because of disease or injury. In the past, failure of major organs resulted in the death of the patient, but now scientists have found the solution of these problems. What the solution they have? An organ transplant replaces our failing organs with a healthy organ. What are they doing? That if someone has the failing organ, for example, we have some person had the heart attack, and we said that he has transplanted his heart, and this what how they can do this? They can do this by the transplantation. A doctor removes an organ from a healthy person and place it in the patient's body. What the doctors do? They remove an organ from the healthy persons, and where they put it? They put it in the patient's body. The patient again lives a normal life after transplantation. Not all organs can be transplanted. Organs most oftenly transplanted are कौन से organs को mostly transplant किया जा सकता है? The kidney because of the diabetes or other kidney problems, the liver because of the serious liver disorders, the heart because of the heart failure, the pancreas because of the diabetes, the lung because of the serious respiratory disorders. People who have organ transplants must take medicines regularly and rest of their lives to stay healthy. Sometimes artificial organs are also used to restore a function in the body of a person. An artificial organ is a man made device that replaces a missing natural organ. Artificial leg, arms, bones, arteries, eyes, teeth, and ears are common to transplant nowadays. The scientists who design and build artificial body parts are called biomedical engineers. What are the who are the biomedical engineers? The persons who who made the artificial body parts. They are called the biomedical engineers. I hope you have understand. Move to the next page. On the next page, we have transportation in plants. In the previous topic, we have read the transplantation of the human body, and now we are going to read the transportation in the plants. Plants do not have a circulatory system like humans and animals, but they too need to move water and food from one part to the other. How does plants transport minerals? कैसे materials? कैसे materials को वो transport करते हैं? कैसे करते हैं जी? प्लांट्स ट्रांसपोर्ट वाटर एंड मिनरल्स फ्रॉम रूट्स टू लीव थ्रू जाइलम वेसल्स. कैसे? जाइलम वेसल्स के जरिए करते हैं. फ्लोइंग ट्रांसपोर्ट्स प्रिपेयर्ड फूड फ्रॉम लीव्स टू ऑल अदर पार्ट. We will do the reading till here, and after this we will do the next reading in the next class. Okay, now we will do the short question answers. What is the first question? What do you mean by oxygenated blood? The oxygen rich blood is called oxygenated blood. What is the estimated size of our heart? What is the estimated size of our heart? Our heart is about the size of our fist, as I told you in the class, number, I think in the third class. Which arteries carry deoxygenated blood from heart to the lungs? I have told you what is a deoxygenated blood. The blood that do not have the enough oxygen. Pulmonary arteries carry deoxygenated blood from heart to the lungs. Next question. Name at least two diseases that can damage our kidney. दो बीमारियां जो किडनी को डैमेज कर सकती हैं. Diabetes and high blood pressure are the two diseases that can damage our kidney. We will do these 4 question answers and the reading. I hope you will write these question answers in your notebook and also learn them and also do the reading. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.